Once you jump in, foot on the brake, switch the ignition on. This is takeover. Then now the vehicle's ready to go, but the vehicle will still be immobilised. So if we try and select gear, if you watch the dashboard, just bounces back to park. So even though the vehicle's running, we've got the keys, we can't drive off. So I just enter the customer's code now. We get a double beep there, and now we can select gear. Goes into drive nice and safely. This is the StarLine S9 immobiliser, tracking system, full alarm, call alerts, remote start. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security 0333 012 9028.